Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you, it's a Christmas ornament I got at Walmart. You've probably seen them. It's the cat with the black hat and the black boots, and I dolled mine up a bit and I wanted to share it with you. And on her boots I put glue on it, and I cut this stuff. This is the polishing cloth you get at Dollar Tree in the automotive department. So I cut it in little bitty strips where I could just pull the fuzz off, and I put it in the glue. And I put silver glitter for the soles of her boot, but I'm going to change that to gold. And I also used that polishing cloth on her hat. I had painted it and painted it white, and it just didn't really look right. And the hat, it'll pop right off. It's on there with hot glue. And so I popped it off to glue that on there, and I did the same thing where I had little gaps. I glued some fuzz that I took off of the polishing cloth on there. And the feathers, it's from Dollar Tree, and so I put that around her neck and put one on her hat. And the jewels, I took off some jewelry I'd got at Walmart when they marked it down to $1. And I think she turned out quite nice. She looks a little more feminine and less like Halloween. Now she actually looks like Christmas. But anyway, I wanted to share with you how I dolled her up and fancied her up. Thanks a lot for watching.